Welcome to EINSTAR VEGA tutorials, how to scan objects with mixed features, rich geometric features and simple regular shapes. VEGA version 1.2 has been released, bringing many usable new features. Let's explore and experience the new features by using this angel sculpture, which has a richly detailed main body and a simple featureless circular base. For this size, we can choose fast mode. For a target like this, we recommend using hybrid alignment to ensure a smooth scanning experience and more accurate data. Let's switch on marker and feature alignment. Now we are able to select the resolution level before start scanning. Please remember to turn on the data quality indicator. It helps you to ensure all point clouds are green during the scanning process. Also, keep in mind that the higher the resolution level selected before you starting the scan, the longer it will take to gather sufficient data. The new version adds a scanning rewind function, which allows users to delete unwanted data after pausing and restart the scan. The mesh point distance you can select will be adjusted according to the point distance chosen before starting the scan. This time, let's use the system recommended HD mesh to see the results. Thanks for watching. Please follow us if you find this video helpful. See you next time, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section.